Yo, what's up everyone? Just got here at Red Apple Fireworks Demo. I'm in the store right now. Just got my tickets. I'm going to show you guys a quick walkthrough of the store.
That's the four spots. Yeah. That's each one. Yeah, but I was like, my brother. Oh, yeah.
So hold on to this. We got the racks here. 9 on the boards. Here we got single shot tubes. This is the first hour here of the store. There's some 500-gram cakes. Zippers and comets. That's sundown. We got some 60-gram canister shells. Diablo. These are new. What is this? 5-inch American super shells. Certified black label. I gotta check those out. Probably purchase one of those. Never seen those before. These are new. Of course, we got the Quest, Triumph, HD, Pro shells.
This is the cheapest one I saw. This is one.
There's a second hour here. Some more 500-gram cakes.
Wait, this is the place that's functioning?
Star Chamber. Good cake.
Let's say this is the place that's functioning right Everybody already knows what they're doing. I know, that's what I'm saying. Why are you showing me about the box there?
That's how it works.
Well, like, you got a calculator out right away.
Brothers Finale boxes. There's a third aisle, some more 500-gram cakes. There's some Canon brand stuff right here. This is new at the store.
Down the sidewalk, all the way to the right.
Here, take the keys.
We can keep it in the bathroom.
Don't worry, I'll get you in there. Oh, this one's supposed to be pretty good. Right here.
Let's wait for another day. We need my hair actually still.
Alright. I'm not going to buy anything yet. I'm going to wait until after the demo to make my purchases. I want to see how good these fireworks perform first, you know? I reached the back wall again for more 60-gram canisters. We got Aftermath, which are the same as those Reaper shells, just different effects.
I'm not gonna spend, $80. Yeah, not really spend 120 for 4 of those.
And these are new. This is Executioner, blood shells. Might pick up a few of those too, just because they're new. Fourth aisle here, start of 200-gram cakes. Look at those G-Force. Might pick up that red one right there. I like that one the best out of the three. These are 350-gram cakes. I've had both Double Double and Fire Drake, both pretty good. Shiny, 20th anniversary. Here's that Smoke Dragon, daytime firework cake. There's some fuses. I'll pick up some fuses too.
I was in a rush, so this is what I got. Come by.
Excuse me.
The Tiger box? That's smaller?
It's fifth aisle right here. Got some more small cakes, 200 grams. These are some parachutes. This is a cool parachute cake right there. Look at these little things. These things are little. It was good.
Which one was it?
Crazy Crack. Might get a few more of those. Here we are with the Saturn missiles. Excuse me.
Zach said it was cool.
Some more ball shells. You can go buy, man. Bunch of triple brakes, double brakes. Look at this big old thing right here. Ultimatum 2. Look at that. It's nice. Well, here's these Death Alone shells. These are supposed to be pretty damn good. Giant brake, that's for sure. Alright, we got some firecracker oil right here, as well as some Roman candles. This cutting edge brand firecrackers are pretty good. I've had a couple of those. I'm not really a fan of Roman candles, unless maybe I put like hundreds of them together. Look at the 16,000 roll right here. That's nice.
Like I said, you're getting more and pretty much the same amount of stuff. Maybe like one.
What are you laughing at?
3 less, 4 less. Someone cropped his head off.
Oh.
She chopped her head off. Yeah. A little bit less than what you get. The less
That's cool, man.
Just walking around, video recording everything.
Yep.
Yeah, done now.
I upload it on my YouTube channel. Go ahead. Thing is monster. I don't know, how would you fit this in your car?
If I were to say cheaper, because I'm not buy one get three first. I'll buy one get three first. Is it always like that?
Here's more of the novelty stuff. I think this is the novelty aisle right here.
You got these last year, but they didn't fly. They didn't go up. And on here, I'll have to go there.
Sparklers.
Sorry.
It's alright.
No. Are they cheaper this?
More ball shells. These are singles.
Also, if you still found them, it's cheaper.
Michael!
Like this one.
What?
They're number 36.
Coming up to the fountain aisle.
$10 and then we got $2.
And the rocket aisle.
Oh, that is cool, huh? Yeah. I wonder if they're different.
Here's that crazy crack. That fountain's awesome.
Are you looking for cases or pieces? Pieces like on a single assortment. Oh, okay. So yeah, we got the mortal rocket right there. We've got the Starlight rocket right here. It's a smaller assortment. You got ball rockets and regular rockets right there.
Oh, okay.
And then if you're looking for something like the smaller guys, we've got this rocket Rampage right here.
Look at the picture there.
Wait, let me see the picture.
We are getting in. We're sold out right now. It's called. I think it's called.
Funny because you're thinking of a mess in here.
Let me see. Yep, is there anything else you guys are looking for?
All right.
Sorry that my rocket eye wasn't as
That's the store tour
for about 3 weeks.
before the demo. See you guys later.